Hey everyone, it's Donald. Don't worry, yes, I'm in the car. However, Cadence, my daughter, is actually driving, so we're good to go. We're safe. That being said, just wanted to really reach out to you guys. Angel and I have some good news, even though we made some mistakes recently with some investment on some new parts. We have decided, and after talking with Angel, it makes a lot of sense. We know the hoses we sell work. We know the fresh air systems work. We know the vacuum leak fix kit works. So in turn, what we're doing is we're investing all the money that we were investing in other projects back into just getting bulk hoses and not reinventing this wheel that we've been trying to find better ways and everything else, right? So hoses are going to be lower priced. There are already some on the website for a lower price. So if you're looking for a hose, now's probably the time to do it. They are a very limited amount until I get more in stock. And so those are going to be lower priced. The fresh air systems, I'm going to relook at all the cost and see if I can find any pennies that I can kind of save. So that way I can pass on that savings to you guys as well. And then same with the vacuum fix leaks, the vacuum leak fix, right, kit. So be looking forward to that. I know we're looking forward. We've never sold hoses this cheap on our website ever. But by investing the correct amount of money, we're able to get these at a better cost and in turn still keep the same exact great product we have. So that being said, my kids are doing the same exact thing with their business, and they're custom3dkid.com. They have revamped their website along with their pricing and everything else after we were able to finally find a good program to really figure out the cost and profit and all that type of stuff for them. So they have a whole new pricing on their website as well. And I almost challenge you to turn around, just go look at that site. They're very competitive. I think mostly they're cheaper than Etsy and other stuff that you're kind of seeing, especially for the quality of prints that are being done by them. So everyone can always do some printing, right? But if you want high quality stuff at the end of the day, and that's what they've done, is invested into high quality printers, which allows them to get a lot better end product. So, but that's really where we're at today. I do have my Stay Fresh unit coming back to me next weekend. I let somebody borrow it. They're a business. They've been using it for a couple of months now and really just putting it through the ringer, right? Letting them kind of test it, see how they like it compared to the Harvest Right machine. And I will say they absolutely love it, especially when it comes to running Skittles. Her husband is running it pretty much all the time, and that's the only thing that's the only machine he wants to run Skittles in anymore. I've told you guys I feel like the Skittle product was a lot better out of that machine. So they were kind of in the same boat, and they are now purchasing a Stay Fresh unit, and they're planning on purchasing a larger one when they become available as well. So we're about 9 months we've had that unit. I'll get it back, I'll run it again, make sure obviously with the moving and everything else that we're doing that it still runs exactly how I expect it to run. And we'll make sure you guys know, right? So we're 9 months. I plan on doing a 1-year review of that machine and really compare it to where we're at with the Harvest Right machine and all that type of stuff. But as of right now, I can still say Stay Fresh is by far, in my opinion, the number one machine. I've never done a single fix to it in 9 months. I've never had to do anything to that machine other than change the oil in it, right? So, in my opinion, that's where the money's at, right? If you're investing in a machine and you want a machine that's going to work, I would go with Stay Fresh. If you want to use my affiliate link, which will save you $50, and give me a credit, right? They give a 4% credit affiliate money. I don't try hiding this from people. Use the code FIXMYFD, and that will save you $50, and then that credit goes to me. If you don't want to, hey, go on their website, order one, pay full price, or Google, you might be able to find some people with a coupon code, and then that way they at least you still get $50 off, and then they'll get the 4% stuff. So either way, I just want people to have a good machine that works If you want a machine instantly, which a lot of people, most of us on this channel are all Americans. We're used to Amazon. We're used to getting stuff. Hey, I want it now. Harvest Right does have machines. They always have them on sale. If they're regular price, I wouldn't buy it because they're always on sale at some point. If you're in the lower 48, they offer free shipping, all that type of stuff. And then we have the fixes for that. So, you know, get the vacuum leak fix and just make sure it's good to go. That preventive maintenance is the best maintenance. So make sure that's good to go with vacuum. You got the vacuum all sealed up. You got everything good to go. Get yourself a little better hose. They went down in price, so that's a good thing. And then if you want, you could always replace that demister on there, which we've had people experience 20-25% better dry times with. So we have those fixes and all that stuff for that machine, right? Those fixes, I think after coming up to my head, you're looking at about $400 to get everything, right? But you'll have a good running machine if you do that. So that's my suggestion. Machine now, spend the $400, make sure it runs perfect, as good as you can, or you just go with the Stay Fresh unit. You never have to probably open it up ever. And ours has been running for 9 months straight. I've never had a single person contact me asking for help on a Stay Fresh unit or needing anything like that. So, but you guys take care. Have a great one, and let us know if you guys need anything. Bye.